Is your Rover 75's alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are the door latch switch, bonnet sensor, and battery. The door latch switch is a small micro switch inside the door latch that often fails due to corrosion or wear. The bonnet sensor, located under the hood, can become misaligned or damaged. Finally, a weak battery below 12.4 volts can cause intermittent alarm triggers. Use a multimeter to check the switch continuity, which should be 0 ohms when closed and infinite when open, and battery voltage. Remember, 42% of faults are battery-related, 28% door switches, and 20% bonnet sensors. Start with the easiest fix and work your way up. Many Rover 75 alarm problems can be resolved with DIY solutions. Replacing a faulty switch typically costs $20 to $50 from eBay or AutoZone and takes about 30 to 60 minutes. Cleaning battery terminals with baking soda can also resolve issues. For persistent problems, consider using an OBD2 scanner to read ECU error codes like P1600. Regarding future trends, while some owners are adopting smart alarm modules, maintenance will likely remain manual for Rover 75s. Expect to see a rise in 3D printed custom parts for switches as classic car enthusiasts keep these vehicles running. Remember to check your work and stay safe.